Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Just going to do a real quick T-fitting repair here on a Tiffin motorhome that we're working on. One of the fittings failed, and since it's all PEX, you know, one thing we find that is when you're trying to put these on, the actual PEX itself is really hard to press it on there. So if you have a heat gun, you can take the heat gun, heat it up a little bit, you don't want to get it too hot. You just want to get it a little bit warm so it's a little easier to push the actual fitting on. We're going to do the bottom fitting first. And then once it's on, you're going to start screwing the Flair-It fitting. Tighten it up a little. You want to make sure that the fitting is going to be flat, not at an angle. So this is kind of at an angle, so we're going to cut a little bit of it off. That didn't quite do it. We're going to do it again. That did the trick. So now we're going to heat this side up. This is the solid side. We don't have as much play in it as we do the other side. Don't forget to put on your actual Flair-It piece that's going to tighten it up and complete the job. A lot of people forget to put that on. And like I said, you don't need to get super close to this and make it too hot. So once you've warmed it up, we're going to press it on. Make that nice and flush. And then tighten this up. So we will use channel locks and give this a couple more turns when we're all done. Or if you have the Flair-It tool itself. So now we have this side. We're going to heat it up. We just did a repair over here to the left with the crimp style because it has that flex hose on the bottom. And once we did that, the other line started leaking really bad, and we went ahead and we're just going to throw this Flair-It fitting in there because it'll work better with the PEX because it's PEX on all three sides. We're going to push this on and we're going to tighten it up. I'm going to make sure it's good and tight. But like I said, you can use channel locks to tighten it up after you're done. But anyways, that's how you put in a Flair-It fitting, a T Flair-It fitting to be exact. And until next time, be sure to subscribe. And if you need Flair-It fittings, you can check out the link below. And thanks for watching, guys. Safe travel.